What's going on, G Squad? Welcome back to the channel, man. Finna head out real quick, like, and grab a tow dolly. Taking the SS around today to get price quote on this paint. See if I can go ahead and locate a shop that's gonna take it. One of the shops that we're gonna take it to, well-known racer out here in the culture, but a well-known racer. So we're gonna see what they talking about as well. That shop's gonna be a nice little ride out. But it is what it is. We need to hammer this paint shop thing down like ASAP. I want to get this thing dropped off no later than next Monday. Hopefully by the end of this week, I'll probably drop it off. But the only thing that's really gonna be holding me up on dropping it off is I need to hurry up and get the rest of the interior gutted out of the SS. So we about to go ahead and get with the action. It's cold outside right now. Got the truck running. So let's go ahead and make moves, man. But before we move forward, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get at that action. Boy, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Look at that ice, man. Word. Oh, boy. Man, it's like super early. But it ain't that early, man. Let me stop lying. At 8:23 in the morning. I have to be at work at 10:30. So go ahead and grab this tow dolly and then run back over here, grab the SS, grab my laptop, work while I'm on the road. You did. I hate when I come in my truck, man, and then man, Stasia phone be connected to my shit. And that's a good way to get like messed up, right? When your phone be automatically connecting to another person's call. You did get caught up, but yeah, I mean, we ain't on that wavelength. You did. So go ahead and disconnect it real quick, and then I'm connect mine. Galaxy Note. I got this old Galaxy Note 10 on that too. I need to delete that. All right. Let's see. Yeah, get some sounds happening in this thing, man. Some ride music. You did. All right, man. So let's go ahead and head up to U-Haul, man. I ain't going in front of y'all, man. I'm tired of renting U-Haul tow dollies, man. That's another reason why, you know what I mean, we trying to move, because when I said in the last video, like, I got a lot of stuff that I want to do, that I'm trying to do, and I can't do. Like, staying in the subdivision, man, like, too many restrictions. Especially when you got HOAs, right? You know what I mean? Like, these folks have put a damper on everything. You know what I mean? No cars in the, like, too many cars on the street, which I like that part, but like working on cars and all that good stuff, man. Like, you gotta be mindful of the neighbors, not keeping them up. And I be wanting to run like my air compressor, all that stuff at night, man, because that's when, you know what I mean, I can get most of my work done. I don't get off of my day job till like 7:30 our time, or 7:30 Georgia's time, or whatever. So when I get off of work, I want to go back. I want to hit that car stuff, man. You did. And I can't hit it at night. You know what I mean? So by that time, it's already dark. So that's why we need to move, man. I need to find some property or whatnot, man, that's gonna allow me that privacy. That way I ain't gotta bother nobody. Ain't nobody gotta bother me. You did. So, but enough said, man. We already on the road. We moving. Go ahead and head out and hit this U-Haul real quick, grab it, come on back, load up, and then dip out again. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, and we back and we loaded. You know what I mean? Trailer on deck. We did. So I'm gonna pull the SS out right now. We're gonna go ahead and get this out, get it loaded, and we're gonna hit this road. You did. So let's go ahead and get that footage. All right, man, and we up, man. Just got out here, man, trying to get this quote from the first paint shop. You know what I mean? So it could get epic, man. Like real talk. You know what I mean? So got the whip over there. Guess who I'm pulling up on? Guess who I'm pulling up on? It could get epic. So we're gonna see what they talking, man. We're gonna see what they talking about real quick, man. Front doors ain't open. Guess I gotta take it to the back. I knew it too. It's gonna be hell trying to get this damn car up out of here. So we're gonna see what's up though. All right, and we back. Man. So, whew, just got it back to the crib, man. And yeah, you did. So, oh, I need to close the garage back down. Gotta close the garage back down. So, a lot to say. All right, man, as you can see, I took the whip over or whatnot to Ezzy Colorworks, you know what I mean? And I definitely like what they had to say. And man, some promising things that might be coming that way. Can't even front to you, I did take it over to another shop as well. And I gotta get finishing here. Took it over to another shop as well, just to kind of get a quote out there as well. You know what I mean? I like a lot of options. But I don't know, man. I really don't know. You did, so you gotta stay tuned, man. You gotta stay tuned. Let's just say I got an appointment, you know what I mean, on the 24th, and which is a Monday, yeah. So I'm gonna be dropping it off on the 24th somewhere, man. Like I said, things could get epic, and they can't. They may not. You know what I mean? Maybe somewhere else. But definitely stay tuned to that footage, man. You did. I'm gonna get back out here after I get myself something to eat. Get back out here, work on the SS for a little bit, man, and start prepping for the paint. You did. So stay tuned to that, man. I really appreciate y'all riding with your boy, and then we're gonna come back with that footage at a later date. Stay tuned. Holla at you.